Okay, here we are, February 23, 2019. This is account, another one that's got into trouble by bad money management. There's just some bad luck and bad mistakes. Guess what, my partners, guys that I invest for and watch for, I make mistakes. You know, we make mistakes. Sometimes we have drawdowns. Sometimes we just have a little bit of bad luck in the market. This account is ours. I don't know of any money management that will ever admit that they made a mistake, that their client is in trouble because of them. This guy, Anthony, he's a friend. He invested about 5,000 USDs. He's now down a little bit of money, and he's saying, "What happened? What we're supposed to be making money here," and he's right. Now I'm going to take this account under more of a control I will have on this account. Let's just put it like that. Let's start today. The first thing I normally tell you guys is know your broker. Know who you're giving your money to. If you don't know who you're giving your money to, you're going to lose it. After each broker's name, I want you to write scam broker or fraud broker. The internet will print up any type of problems they've had with clients. What you're looking for is clients that say they cannot get their money back from the broker. Do not invest with this broker. You'll never see your money. The next thing I do is I usually have a couple of programs I talk about real quickly. I have the paid to trade program that you all know about. A lot of you are in this program. You trade your own account. I pay you $10 a lot every 30 days. So every lot you trade, you get $10. Every point 0.10 of a lot, you multiply that by 10, and you get, and I believe you get $1 at 0.10 lots, and it goes down from there. Every 30 days, whatever you've done in your account, you will be paid. I also have the Big Lot program. That's for individuals with accounts over 10,000. We trade on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. We only trade big lots, 1, 2, 3, 20 lots, 50 lots. We're looking for sharp movements for 1 to 2, 3, sometimes 7, 8 pips. Walk away with a lot of money every month with these type of trades, but this is only for big lot programs. Now back to Anthony and how we're going to clean this up. And once again, this is my problem. I don't know of any money manager that will ever admit they have messed up a client's account, because they're always, every money manager says they're the best in the world, they're making money. I have about a 75 to 80% hit ratio. All of my accounts prove it. This has been a bad month. We've had a drawdown, and obviously we've had a couple of bad trades. I'll go over them really quickly, and hopefully this will illuminate some of you that even I make mistakes. Okay, here we go. We started the account. First, look at the account number up at the top, so you know that we're not going to change it. We're going to be following this every week. Let's see how this started here. Put in about $5,000 if we can find it. That's his loss. Let's go to complete history. Let's go here, all history. So we're not hiding anything, and there it is. Okay, got it. This is when he opened the account, January the 23rd. You see it up here where my cursor is? We're highlighted in blue. He invested $5,000. Everything was going great. We had a couple of stop outs, which is normal. Normal stop outs, normal stop outs. Gain, 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 gain. You can watch the dates and all of this. All of a sudden, we have a problem coming up, and it was the Euro USD. Here it is. What happened is we moved the stop. Never move your stop loss. Once you make that decision to take the trade, that's when all of your problems and I guess gains, profits and losses, gains, your problems, your non-problems, they're all decided when you make that decision to put a stop loss and to take profit. Once you've movement, once you move that stop loss, you've now changed the parameter and the decisions you made earlier. You're circumventing. You cannot do that. You will lose every time. We got hit for $551. That was a big hit for a $5,000 account in one time. That's almost that's 10%. That's a very large hit. That's on us. We moved the stop because we assumed it was going to come down. It didn't come down. We had to close it out and take the loss. Another problem that happened with this account was the Canadian dollar. Right here, another large hit. Once again, we decided not to follow our rules. Big mistake. You need to follow our rules. If you've noticed, once you follow your rules, the losses and gains are smaller, and you profit like this. I think there was one more hit, and that one was just bad luck. That had nothing to do with us. That's just the system, and the stop loss was followed here. We just made a mistake. Now, I have a partner that I work with. He has a trading system. I do not use the trading system 100%. I'm a day trader and a swing trader, intraday trader. I go into the market myself. I analyze charts on a Sunday night, and I decide when to make a decision on a weekly or daily chart. Let me take a drink of my tea here. My voice is gone. Hang on. So that's when I make my decisions. I make them on a Sunday or Saturday night when I'm looking at these charts. His system is more intraday. They're shorter spurts. They're usually used for the big lot programs. We decide to put them in new accounts from time to time to help them out. This account will probably be doubled in probably 2 to 4 weeks. I will probably double this account myself, and then we can put them back on our systems. Once again, I make mistakes. I don't know of anybody else who does not make mistakes. Whether they admit it to you, misinform you, I don't know. I myself and my partner, we believe in complete transparency. If you have a problem, text me. If you think I'm not doing the right thing with your account, text me, email me, Vincent32767 at gmail.com. Look at the videos on Facebook on Vincent's Accurate Forex Singles. You'll find me there. You'll find me on YouTube. I believe in telling my clients the truth. Once again, this is an account that got damaged by us. We will turn it around. These are the trades that are open right now in his account. I never show this to people because people are going to take these trades, and if you do, that's on you. That's not on me. These are just open accounts that we've got open now in his account. There's the Euro USF, USD JPY, Euro Pound, Euro Yen. And some of these, you'll probably say to me, well, they're against each other. Well, those are what I call counter hedge and counter trend currency pairs. This is the way I trade. And if you have the stop loss set up at a certain way, this one will hit even if it's going against this one, because this one's going to retrace and come down, and hopefully we'll bang out and get on this one. That's why I have an 80% hit ratio. I know how to manage the money, and I know how to manage these problems. Once again, this was on us, Anthony. We will make it right. It will take me about 2 weeks. And this is bad for him too. He just came out of the hospital and he sees this mess we made for him, and we're going to clean it up. And you guys keep watching this. I'll be posting this every week like I used to on the ones that got damaged by other brokers. Now we're going to clean up one that was damaged by myself and my partner. Vincent at 32767 gmail.com. Vincent's Accurate Forex Singles on YouTube, and also Vincent's with an S, Accurate Forex Singles on Facebook. Hope to see you next week here again. Thanks.